Alright, today we are making Origami Fox. There's two different versions that we're going to be making. This is what they look like. They both start with the exact same fold, so we'll start with your square sheet of paper. You'll have 6 of these in your craft bag, so you can make a whole little army of foxes. The first fold is on the diagonal like this. And then you're going to open that and do the same thing going to the other corner. You want to make sure you fold your paper this way both ways, because that line in the middle becomes your guide for doing this fold, where you take the corners and fold them up into the middle. Do that on both sides like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this in half so that the opening is at the top. And for the first little fox design, you're going to start with where it's open on the side here. Fold that up on a diagonal from the corner. Press that down really well. And then it's going to pop up like that. That's normal. You're going to want to stick your finger in there, right in the middle of all of that, and as you go up like this, the head is going to automatically come down. Go ahead and press that down like that. And then for his tail, just fold the other corner along the bottom edge there. And there you go. There's the first option. For the other one, it starts the same way. So you fold on the diagonal. Open that up and repeat it the other way. And then you're going to fold the edges up into the middle, just like that. And again, fold back with the opening at the top. And then again, with the open side of the fold, we're going to just do a straight fold like that. And then repeat the process here to fold that middle triangle down to make the head. And then same process for the tail, fold the other corner along the bottom edge. And there you go. You've got that fox, and you've got that one. They both also stand up on their own. You can draw a little face on there. That's your Origami Fox.